Hello, my name is Francesca Lambert and I work at De Idiomas, the English business in Seville in Spain. I mainly work with young learners, infantil classes and primary classes. And I'm here today to welcome you all to come and attend to TESOL France Colloquium 2020. This year it will be held virtually online. I will be giving a workshop titled Magic in the Classroom on the 21st at 6:15. I hope you can all attend this event. I welcome you all to come, and I hope you all leave my workshop with ideas and fun activities which will actively engage your students in the classroom and you will be able to incorporate in your class straight away. See you soon.